Chapter 1. 111. AlMasad of the Quran. Is Abi Lahab a person's name? Rebuttal of fictitious traditional interpretations. Herewith is presented the latest rationalistic translation. Translation 111 to 1-5. The power of the one inciting the fire of enmity and hatred is at last smashed, and he suffered a final beating. His high position and resources were of no avail to him. He shall be doomed to his destiny of a blazing fire, and his subjects who bore the burden of his inconsolable fury and aggression, now rendered free from the hardships of a laborious journey, as the assurance and promise of safety amnesty hangs in their necks. Respected readers, verse number 3 of this chapter, he shall be doomed to his destiny of a blazing fire, is very crucial. It reveals an important and inevitable future event. It signifies the final doom in the hereafter to which that particular enemy is sentenced. Considering the chronological order of this chapter in the perspective of documented history of that time, if we conclude the identity of the arch-enemy as Abu Sufyan, the chief of Quraysh tribe, whose name is shrouded in the veil of a metaphoric expression, but which still qualifies for the most likely hypothesis, it then becomes clear that it is he who is manifestly doomed to hellfire. And if it be so, then we are led also to conclude that his eventual conversion to Islam, subsequent to his humiliating defeat, was a hoax and a fallacy-based compromise. History also corroborates our conclusion by bringing to light that it was none other than his surviving son, Amir Muawiyah, who destroyed the kingdom of God by declaring his autonomy from the pious caliphate acting as the governor of Syria at that time, defied the true Islamic values and civilization, and initiated the resurgence of old Arab tyrannical regime under the alternate and succeeding caliphate of Damascus. Anyway, as the name is hidden under a metaphor in the chapter under review, we can only hypothesize in the light of historical facts. We are not in a position to pass an absolute verdict over and above the Quranic text. Now, in the end, authentic definitions of important words are detailed hereunder. Kafsin ba ki sb, hunt to gain, acquire, seek after, gather, riches, do, commit, earn. Kasabi means a wolf. Hateba, ha to be, aid, assist, incites, urges, instigates, slander, incline to someone's desires, to be lean or meager, collect, e.g. firewood, collector of firewood, feed upon the small and dry parts of the branches, camels, take upon oneself a burden or responsibility, haba lam habielo, suf tie fasten with rope, cord, covenant, a thing by means of which one catches snares, obtaining an assurance promise of safety, snare, to entrap, to captivate, being pregnant, full, bond, cause of union, link of connection, marriage, carotid artery, jugular vein, calamity, misfortune, a fetus in the womb, grapevine, one who binds, crisped, plaited, rope-like hair, e.g. that of Ethiopians. Miyim sin dal msd, aw, to twist a rope, twist a thing well, pursue or journey laboriously or with energy, hold on or continue a journey, render, person or animal, lean, lank, light of flesh, slender, render one lank in the belly, also to render it firm, tall and slender, of goodly stature, compact of make, applied to a woman. Lam haba lay a b, to blaze fiercely, intensely, inflame, burn with anger, ardor of fire, flame, fiery tempered person, Abu Lahab, father of flame. A gap, space between two mountains, a cleft, fissure in a mountain.